Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I got the unboxing and hands-on of the LG Xpression Plus 3. Now this is being offered on AT&T's prepaid network. You can pick this device up at your local Walmart. The price right now is $99, so it is rolled back a little bit, but there is a in-store special offer. If you activate this device at Walmart, you can pick it up for $49, but you will have to get the $50 service plan. So that's some pretty good savings there, you know. Get the $50 service plan activated in Walmart, and you get the LG Xpression Plus for $49. So, you know, there are some savings there, but as you can see, this is pretty much the packaging the box comes in. And as you can see, you got the device to the right-hand side and some specifications, which I will be going through in this unboxing video. And I'll go ahead and open up the packaging here, and pretty much this is everything you're going to get if you go to Walmart and pick up the LG Xpression Plus 3. I mean, the box, everything's just going to look pretty much like this. I'll go ahead and share with you all the accessories that are included, and I will give you some hands-on with this device in this video. We're going to remove this plastic cover you got there, and then you have, you know, the device nestled right there with some of the specifications. Now you're going to get some reading material, as you can see here. So you got some protection plan information, activate your service, your user guide, warranty information. Also included is your Type-C data cable for charging and data sync and transfer. Then you also get your LG branded wall brick included with the purchase. You're also going to get this key here, which is basically going to open up the SIM card tray where you can input a SIM card as well as a micro SD card up to 2 terabytes for expandable storage. Removing the device from the packaging here, as you can see, you got this pre-installed screen protector here. Let me go ahead and share with you the right hand side, give you a tour around. So on the right hand side, you got your power button there, and that's pretty much all you have when it comes to the right hand side. Take a look at the bottom there. You get a single down firing speaker, Type-C charging port, microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And to the left hand side, you have a lot going on there. So you got your volume rockers up on top. Beneath that is your dedicated Google Assistant button, and beneath that is the tray which houses your SIM card and where you can input the SD card for expandable storage. Now to the back, you got a dual camera setup here with your LED flash. That's going to be a 13 megapixel camera and a secondary 5 megapixel camera. You got a wide angle lens on this, fingerprint sensor to the back, AT&T branding, LG branding, and this glossy back plastic. I mean, pretty much this entire device is constructed out of a plastic material, very glossy, reflective, and will pick up fingerprints and oils off your skin. I definitely recommend a case for this device. This is also housing a 3,500 milliamp hour non-removable battery. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that pre-installed screen protector we got there, and then I'll go ahead and power on the Xpression Plus 3, see if we got some juice, and let's see there. Might have to chart. Nope, there we go. We have some juice. So I'm going to go ahead and get this device all set up, ready to go. I'll be back in just a moment. All right, so I went ahead and went through the whole setup process. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about the LG Xpression Plus 3 is the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. So I think that's excellent placement. It's far enough away from the cameras where you won't accidentally smudge the cameras when you're trying to unlock your device. You also got the double tap to wake, double tap to sleep option, which LG has been known for. But the fingerprint sensor is excellent placement in my opinion. I can easily unlock the device each and every time. I did notice that it's just not super fast. It's not super slow, but it's just average speed when it comes to unlocking the Xpression Plus 3, but still a great security feature to have, the fingerprint sensor. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this display now. So as you can see up on top, you are going to get the camera cut out there, and that's going to be an 8 megapixel selfie camera. This is coming in with a 6.1 inch HD plus full vision display. Now this is advertised to have scratch resistant Panda glass. As you can see, fairly slim bezels to the side and then a fairly large chin to the bottom there. And when it comes to this display, it is a 720p resolution, 720 by 1560, so 293 pixels per inch. And when you get this device out of the box, there is no app drawer, so all the apps are right there on your home screen. I'll be making a separate video of tips and tricks and sharing with you how to get the app drawer, so stay tuned for that video coming very soon. But as you can see there, you got your Google folder with your Google applications that are pre-installed. Now with this device here, you are going to be getting your dedicated Google Assistant button, which seems to be working very good, responsive, so that's actually pretty nice. You have that dedicated Google Assistant button to the left hand side. I also want to share with you, when I opened up the dialer, that this does have the feature for video calling. So as you can see in just a moment, this little message will pop up, so you can basically take advantage of video calling, and you can call other Android devices that support this feature. Pretty cool. And I also want to share with you that this device out of the box is running with gestures, so there's no on-screen navigation buttons, so everything is gesture based when it comes to going back, opening up your recently open apps, going home, so it's all just based on the swipes and gestures on your home screen. What I want to share with you is pulling down the status bar. I just want to share with you that you have your quick toggles right there, as well as quick access to your brightness, and this does have auto brightness. And if you go ahead and swipe all the way down, that will expand your quick toggles. So you got a quick screenshot option there, Wi-Fi calling, your Bluetooth option, DTSX 3D surround, a lot of good stuff baked into this. Now into settings here, I won't go through every single feature you have available, but I just want to share with you, the layout of settings, and you can see some of the options that are available. If you're coming from another LG device, this is all going to look very familiar to you. Again, this has 32 gigabytes of internal memory, expandable up to 2 terabytes via a micro SD card. You can also see this is on July 1st, 2020 security patch, as well as Android version 10. This also has 2 gigabytes of RAM, an octa-core processor, the MediaTek 6765. So those are just a quick rundown of some of the specifications. Let's take it over to the camera now. So again, you got a dual camera setup, a 13 megapixel plus a secondary 5 megapixel camera. As you can see, the autofocus seems to be doing a pretty good job by finding the subject, and shutter speed, not super fast yet not super slow, but pretty average for a device in this price point. You also got the wide angle option, as you can see there. So you got that little button on the viewfinder there on your display, so you can switch up between standard and wide angle mode with that 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. And then as you can see, you got some additional options here, like a portrait mode to choose from, but as you can see there, it only works on faces, people, so it doesn't work on objects, so that's kind of a bummer. And then you also got your Google Lens on board here, so that's baked into the camera, which you can have all types of fun with Google Lens, and finding a specific subject that you are looking for shopping. There's a whole lot you can do with Google Lens, so it's good to see that baked into the camera option there. And then when it comes to video recording, 1080p 30 frames per second is going to be the highest recording that you have available. AI cam, and then you have some additional options, as you can see there, those 3 options that are available. And then you also got to the corner there, different filters to choose from. There's some stickers where you can have some fun, and you can put like stickers on people's faces, and again, different filters. You got your flash option, timer. It seems like pretty easy, straightforward camera interface here, and as you can see, the video resolution. But this was just a quick look at the camera interface. Overall, this device definitely feels nice and comfortable to use in the hand. I can easily reach the volume rockers, and they're nice and responsive. One thing I want to mention is the bloatware is real on this device. I mean, AT&T has loaded this device with tons and tons of unnecessary apps, but I'll make a future video sharing with you how you can remove remove those apps, so definitely stay tuned. But this is it. This was just a quick unboxing and hands-on of the LG Xpression Plus 3. And again, this is being sold only at Walmart, and there are some pretty good savings with this device. This is a $100 smartphone, but again, if you activate a new line of service at Walmart, you can get it for $49, but you got to pick the $50 service plan. Keep that in mind. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.